Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jeff Alexander. I'm currently a board member for the Insulating Concrete Forms Association. We're at the annual conference located here in Orlando, Florida. Today, out in the back parking lot of the nice Hilton Hotel, we're going to be doing an air cannon demonstration. It's to reflect flying debris. When we're in a hurricane storm or a tornado, it's not necessarily the wind that's the impact, it's what's driving the debris into the wall systems that's really the concern. So what we're going to do is simulate flying 2x4s into 3 different wall types today. An ICF wall system on the end, it's insulated concrete forms. It's expanded polystyrene on 2 sides, sandwiched with 6 inches of solid poured concrete. Then we have a conventional 2x4 wood frame constructed home, or wall assembly. That's 2x4 woods with insulation, and on the outside is 7/16 OSB sheathing, followed by a conventional house wrap. The next wall assembly specimen is a typical CMU or concrete masonry unit, and then finally we'll end up again with another ICF, again 2.5 inches of foam with 6 inches of concrete on the outside.
I'm Scott Bolton. I'm with the University of Florida, and today we're going to be testing these variety of walls with a 2x4 test. And what that does is we'll shoot the 2x4 at approximately 50 feet per second and see what the impact is on the different variety of walls. So basically what we have is an air tank that creates a volume of pressure behind the actual projectile. And what that'll do is it'll allow the projectile to be driven by the pressure behind it, and it's automatically controlled with a ball valve that's opened with a electronic control. The wood wall will definitely be destroyed, but I'm curious to see how the ICF walls do. 3, 2, 1. Fire! Fire! At 3, 2, 1, fire!
Okay, so pretty much results are as expected. As you can see, the wood frame wall, the stud, the 2x4 missile drove right through it all the way to the other side. On the concrete block wall, it's basically blow the whole back side out. And then on the ICF wall, in which we increased the wind speed from the 50 miles an hour projectile to the 75-mile projectile, it literally just bounced off the wall. Exactly the results we expected, and for the reason that we make the product that we do.
All right, 3,